Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Guys, it is a different type of day today. Normally, I don't do this stuff. I'm just gonna disclaim it right here, right now, before in between my hiccups. Oh, all right, what are we doing? Well, my uncle a while back said, hey, I really need you to look at my Honda. I'm like, sure, I'll look at your Honda. Why not? And here's his Honda. It's like a 1991 Honda Accord, super old. I love this thing, but it's got a little bit of a problem here, right? I'll show you what's going on. First off, it's super dirty, but whatever. Whoa. Yep. Oh yeah, that plugs in. So we got plenty of fire, but we got a dead hole. So, my uncle, in typical uncle fashion, he's a aircraft pilot, does some test things used to do test things for Boeing. Now he flies jets to like rescue airline jets. I guess, I don't know how you want to call it. You get sick, you need to go halfway across the country and you need to get there quicker than an aircraft, quicker than a helicopter. You jump in his plane, he flies you across there and it's cool. He's like, hey, we're not fixing this motor. Here's how, we're gonna fix this thing. Here's how we're gonna fix it. I go out there, pick up the car, and he's like, oh, by the way, you need to take this with you. So what is this? We have ourselves here a 1994 H22 A3. And that's what we're gonna do today. Come on now. We've all been a Honda gang, guys, and I have some roots in my Hondas, and I love them to death. So, we're gonna put this in there. Let's get to it. And montage. Well, it was eventful. Took me a couple days to do it, but we got it done. I think the only thing we have left here is to start it. Well, attempt to start it. The reality here is there's a couple things that we're not done. Even if it starts, even if it runs, it's not done. That's mostly for two big reasons. One, we'll start over here. Power steering pump does not fit the bracket. No big deal. Alternator is the tensioner for the AC compressor. That said, AC compressor you kind of need to use. I had to use the one off the F-Series. And additionally with the F-Series, the only other thing I used off of it was the wiring harness. Everything else is like left on the car. Why do I need the wiring harness? That's mostly because this is a 90, which has an external fuel injector driver module instead of it being in the ECU like a Prelude. What else was there? There was a couple other quirky things. Oh, distributor. Yeah, distributor. This is obviously not the right distributor. Also, that one has a correct distributor cap, which is really lame. Like, yay. We might have to take this all off, and we might have to take the power plug from this guy off as well. Don't know. I think we might not use any of that. Anyway, I think I'm ready to try to start it. Let's give it a go. Fuel's on, it's got oil, cap's on. Yeah, she's ready to try to start. You know, it's actually really cool to look at in there. It's a lot of, it really fills the bay up way better. But, so short answer here is I double checked the firing order. Firing order is right. Pretty sure it has something to do with having the wrong distributor on it, and something is just being quirky. So I'm not gonna spend 8 hours doing it when we got other things we need to get done. I gotta get cleaned up. I still got to pack for Grid Life Midwest, the Gingerman at Gingerman Raceway in New Haven, Michigan. Juan from AfroSpeed invited me out to say, hey, I need extra hands for crew life. I'm like, all right, I'm on, let's go. Technically in the backseat of a car, but here. If you guys are interested in Grid Life stuff, that upload will be up sometime next week. And until then, well, this is gonna get pushed outside. I'm Audi. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you like this style of content and you want to see more Volkswagen, Audi, and well, occasionally the 90s shitbox Honda, consider subscribing to the channel, guys. All we do every day is work on our Volkswagens and Audis, and one day soon we are going to drive this very rowdy machine, and it is going to be all the vibes. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I'm Audi.
Thank you.